Bonfire Night is the worst day of the year for many beloved pets who quake in fear of the celebrations. Fireworks season is a scary prospect for our furry friends. The crashes and bangs of Guy Fawkes Night terrify animals as we pet owners become distressed for them. Pets won't understand why the fireworks are happening and that the disturbance isn't a threat. To help the confusion and anxiety, a vet has revealed a helpful tip for keeping pets calm, which starts with our own behavior. It may go against your instincts to not comfort your pet, but veterinarian Pete Wedderburn says you should do exactly that. As reported by The Mirror, the vet said, "My game-changing tip is that owners need to understand the importance of the way they behave when their dogs get frightened. Dogs use social referencing when deciding how to behave, they look to their owners for cues. If an owner overreacts to a fearful dog, rushing over, petting them and fussing, the dog will think I was right to be worried. Instead, owners should carry on with their normal activities, unperturbed, with no more than a casual comforting word to their pet. And definitely never get angry with pets that are upset. I've heard of people punishing dogs that mess in the house when they get frightened. This will just make things far worse." The vet also provided his top tips to help settle upset animals as firework displays begin. How to keep animals calm this bonfire night: make your pet comfortable, provide a den or a hiding place for them fit with a bed lined with old sweatshirts and other clothing to give your pet a sense of your reassuring presence. Soundproof the room, close the windows, shut the curtains, and leave music playing to drown out fireworks noises. Researchers say that dogs prefer reggae and soft rock. Buy a plug-in diffuser that releases pheromones, odorless but biologically active vapors that make pets feel reassured. Amazon has reduced the Adaptil Calm Home Diffuser to £16.86, whilst the Comfort Zone Calming Pheromone Diffuser Starter Kit is £14.99. Make sure your dog has exercised enough so they are tired by the evening, and distract them with a food-releasing toy to chew, such as a deep-frozen, food-stuffed Kong. Ask your vet for calming medication if your pet has a history of severe fireworks fear. This helps to break the escalating cycle of more fear every year. Longer term, sound recordings of fireworks played at low levels help pets get used to the noises, but this has to be done many months ahead of the real thing. Perhaps a project for 2024? Keep cats indoors, and make sure all pets are microchipped. If they do get outside, a frightened animal often bolts. At least if they carry their own name and address, via a chip, they will be returned to you promptly. Join the Daily Records WhatsApp community here and get the latest news sent straight to your messages. Fashion deal of the week: a good winter coat should be able to withstand the season's wild, wet and windy weather without breaking the bank. And it looks like shoppers on the lookout for winter staples have found a winner with Roman Originals Hooded Quilted Coat. The Winter Warmer is a mid-length hooded coat made of cozy quilted fabric, featuring a water-resistant duvet-style hood and funnel neck. The £89 winter coat has earned an impressive 5-star score from shoppers. Available in 4 colors: black, charcoal, olive and midnight blue, the Roman Originals coat has a mock inner lining, long sleeves, cuffs and practical side pockets. Shoppers have praised the lightweight coat for keeping them toasty. Plus, shoppers Roman Originals shoppers can also score 15% off dresses using the code COZY. One reviewer wrote, "The coat is a good length to keep you dry. I love the deep blue color. I bought quilted coats in black and beige last year, but this is exquisite and very flattering." The hood is a generous size and the fake double lining makes it feel very cozy. There is everything to love about this coat and it is good value, being so well made and unusual.